Okay, Paula, here comes actually my first attempt at doing this. So you'll see my chin wiggle, but that's about all. And so I'm going to go through three things that I showed you last lesson. The first of all, we'll do, the first one would be go through Pike County breakdown slow, and I will count it out for you so that you get the full understanding of the timing of each measure in Part A and Part B. Okay, so there's a little pickup here in Pike County breakdown which goes like this. But you don't start counting until you actually get into the tune, once you slid up to the 7th fret there. And I'll count it out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's just to warm up. Okay, I'm going to go through Part A and Part B and count them all the way through. So remember, the pickup at the start, you don't start counting until you start in actually to the tune. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So remember, you do the pickup only the first time that you start the tune. And let me just play it through a little quicker so you can hear what the tune sounds like at a little higher speed. But I would recommend that you just go through it as slowly, if not even slower, than I actually played it for you in a count. So, but I'll just play it. I'm not going to count. I'll just kind of go through it without the count. Whoops. Okay. Second thing I want to show you is I showed you a little tag ending based on a pentatonic scale that we use a lot, which sounded like this. And you can do that. This is A, D, G. So I would like you to do that both down and up like this. And the same on D. And G. Okay, and the last thing I'd like to show you, remember the emphasis is on keeping your fingers anchored to the fingerboard when you're playing sequential notes, like in a scale, like that. So this, notice my index finger stays down until I actually have to switch over to the next string to carry on the scale, like this. That was a G scale, so now we will do an A scale using all closed strings, no open strings. Fingering looks like this. Starting again, excuse me, on your with your index finger at the A, and hold it all the way up. Alright. My big old fingers, sometimes they stretch out further than I would like them to. But here we go, one more time. And as you notice, this involves the use of your little finger. So just work on those scales, keeping your fingers down. Okay. And that's all for now. So I'll see you next lesson, and this should help you count out Pike, break down, and get everything in that you need to into that tune in the proper order. So, okay.